Hi, my name is Rick Sanchez. I'm with a company called Tractor Tip, and what we have for sale here today is a Caterpillar 307C offset boom hydraulic excavator. We're going to talk a little bit about the mechanics of this particular machine in the first clip, the operating specs in the second. We'll run it in the third. Price on a new machine like this is, they're bumping about $100,000 these days. This machine currently has about 4,700 hours on it. The hour meter was changed at about 3,200 and it currently reads 1508. So as far as manufacturers go, Caterpillar's ubiquitous out there. They're the #1 seller of construction equipment in the world. And although they are the most expensive, but they're expensive for a reason. They build solid, reliable products that you can get parts for just about anywhere. The weight of this machine is 18,500 pounds. The widest point is this cutting edge right here at 7 foot 7 inches. The highest point is the top of that cab, which is 8 foot 10 inches, and the transportation length, that everything sucked in a transport profile, is 20 foot 4 inches. As far as comparable machines go, it's like the same size as a Komatsu PC78 or maybe a Bobcat 442. As far as options go, you can see this machine's got an offset boom, which allows you to dig parallel to your tracks. It offsets either way. It's got a strike-off blade here. It's got a pattern control change valve, so you can take it from British standard to maybe ISO controls. It's currently set up for CAT style controls. It's got an enclosed cab with all the glass in it, and the AC blows ice cold. It's a really cold AC. You can hang meat in there. As far as the engine goes, this is a CAT engine, CAT Mitsubishi engine. It's a 54 horsepower. It's got about, it's a 34 gallon diesel tank, which will run you probably 12, 14, up to 16 hours depending on your application. This machine is mechanically sound. There's no leaks anywhere. Everything on the machine works. The undercarriage, as you can see, is about 85%. It's the original undercarriage. There's no leaks on the final drive. This machine's got finals have got plenty of power, enabling this machine to counter rotate with no problem. The hydraulics are strong. All of the pins and the bushings everywhere in this work equipment are relatively tight. There's almost no deflection at all in the swing, the Rotex area. As you can see, there's no cracks or welds anywhere in the work equipment. It's never been welded on. And the teeth on the bucket are about 85%. We're going to talk about the operating specs in the next clip. Okay, so this is a 24-inch CAT dirt bucket. It's probably about 1/4 of a yard heaped, maybe a little less. The maximum dig depth for this machine is 13 foot 6 inches. The maximum reach at ground level is 21 feet. The maximum dig height is 25 feet. And the breakout force on this machine is 6,000 pounds, and its maximum lift capacity at its greatest point, which is about 12 foot out from the front, is about 6,800 pounds. The drawbar pull being defined as The tractive effort of the machine to pull its own weight plus some is 13. It's pretty impressive with this machine, 13,000 pounds. So it'll push 13,000 pounds of material. We're gonna run it in the next clip. Okay, so this is just to show that all the gauges are working. There's your AC control. I don't know how well that's going to come out. Here's your AM, FM.
how you test the final drives.
Okay, earlier I was trying to get the blade to push the tractor up, but I was going over. So basically what you got to do on this thing is you can't go past a certain point. Go ahead and put the AC on there. I don't know if you can see that. Past a certain point it goes to a float function. Past that point, it just, the blade floats up to that point and just picks it. It'll pick the machine up. What's that AC showing?
46.5.
46.5, and it is 92